Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know. It's actually past 12, almost 1, because my bus is 1:10. I'm going all the way to London this wonderful afternoon because there's an event by Chef Omni, and it's a Pan-African thing, a 5-course dinner, which is nice because I've been detoxing for about 2 weeks now, so it'll be nice to actually get myself, you know, some real food until I can't do that anymore. But anyways, so yeah, so I got this opportunity thanks to Africans on YouTube. They're on Instagram, so if you can follow them, I'll put a link to their Instagram account down in the description. So she contacted me and said, oh, there's this event, do you want to go, cover it? It's like, yeah, cool. I very rarely travel, so when I do have the opportunity to, I'm always excited. And yeah, and I'll be meeting up with one of my friends from the university as well, so it's a win-win for me. So I would take you through my journey and let you know how it goes. But yeah, just remember I love you guys, and yeah, let's get to it.
This is a true confession. Actually, what I'm doing is taking you on a journey through my mind. Help me God to tell the truth. There's this crazy war, you know. Where my beat at? One part of me pulls me to that side, the other part pulls me to this side. And sometimes I'm like so muddled up. Who am I and where do I belong? The things I want to do, I don't do. The things I don't want to do, I do. And I'm just like, Bookie, stop. Who are you? Who are you? I was alive once without the law, but when it came, sin revived and I died in the deception slain. The law is spiritual, but I am carnal. Sold on the sin, but that wasn't final. But sin that it might be sin was producing death in me. Ignorant, I didn't know how it should be. Every move I make, I do not understand. See what I will to do, that I do not practice. What I vow not to do is exactly what I do. If this be good, then I agree the law is good. It's not my desire, but sin that dwells inside. The law in my body battles the law in my mind. When I reach my crossroads, here's my benediction. There is therefore now no condemnation. For the law of the spirit of sharing Christ's breath made me free from the law of sin and death. What is this like? That's what I like to know. What is this like? It is what it is, I guess.
Got to London, so now I'm gonna get ready. It's about 4 to 5 hours from Cardiff up to here. So yeah, so about to start a long day. I've never done my makeup and stuff yet, so I don't even know. Meeting up with a friend first. Her name is Mercy. I hope she allows me to vlog because she doesn't really like the cameras. So yeah, that's it basically. So yeah, thank you for taking a ride with me, and we'll continue this journey. And I'm already looking cray-cray during this on the road. Don't even try it.
Why did you video me? Wait.
I am videoing everybody. This is the big-headed girl I talked about. Hey.
how much you mean to me. I come up with this simple equation, you know, that none plus you equals me. That's right, that's what you are to me. Like the sun rays kiss the sky, like the birds have wings to fly, as easy as ABC, like counting from 1 to 3. None plus you just equals me. In its pure.
C'est chacun son dos. Ah ouais, bah pour qu'elle fasse peut-être avoir une médaille avant. Essayez ça. Enfin, elle m'a dit 2020. C'est une année. 2020, mais attends pas. Mais déjà, tu m'as dit c'était pas.
So I had to run out of that place because I was really getting tired, and I have a bus for 11 o'clock, the last bus to go back to Wales. Like, seriously, today has been a wonderful day. I'd like to say a big thank you to Chef Dodo. Yeah, Dodo means plantain, by the way. And I'll put all the links to everything that concerns her down at the description. And yeah, so you can always connect with her. It was a wonderful dinner, by the way, guys. It was a wonderful dinner. There's nothing like having African food in European country, I tell you, because it's really hard. And I know from what I saw today, she actually put a lot of work into it. She did so much. I mean, the time and the effort and the money that goes into making these things work is not easy. I'm trying to see if I can find my bus, but I don't know where to get it from. So as I'm saying, guys, so I'll put all the links to her channel on the description. I need to push my bus now. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for enjoying. Today has been a wonderful day full of beautiful things, you know, so many mishaps, but yeah, so this is kind of like the end of the day where I was. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a wonderful week. Bye.